What's up guys, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus is all here. Yes, this is the first live hands-on video of the S21 Plus model, and yep, it looks so sexy. I mean, look at the bezels, how thin they actually are. It is a Qualcomm powered S21 Plus, so it's rocking Snapdragon 888, not Exynos 2100. The screen size is 6.7 inches here with 120Hz refresh rate, and again the bezels look so slim. Moving towards the back, we have plastic based S21 with this unique new redesigned camera setup. Personally really liking this camera setup, but the plastic back feels and looks kinda cheap than glass on the S21 Ultra model. The person who's been using this phone complained about the camera. According to him, the photos look way more vibrant, and even he said that photos taken by the S21 Plus looks kind of photoshopped, but then again it might be an issue of pre-release software. Maybe the final version of software will fix all the bugs and things. He also ran the benchmark and results weren't that good, but its Snapdragon 888 powered S21 Plus Exynos 2100 will probably come out with way more higher scores than this. Also, we have some exclusive details and confirmation coming out from biggest Samsung India store. Samsung India has confirmed January 14th will be the date of unpacked event for the Galaxy S21 devices, and the worldwide sales will start on January 29th. In the meantime, users will be able to pre-order S21 phones, and not only that, pre-booking for Galaxy S21 is also live in India. Of course, they cannot see the device, but they can pre-book it at $27 and later decide which model they want to go for. So yeah, the Galaxy S21 Plus in its hands-on video looking way more sexier than I thought, but the plastic bag looks kinda cheap. But then again, this is what it is. Let me know what you think of this live hands-on video of the Galaxy S21 Plus, and subscribe to the channel to get daily updates this early. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.